We are the day shift on Saturday for the part two of the Fab Kaizen. We are turning our individual weld cells into an assembly line. Essentially, we're gonna make it a work cell. So 3 people working together on the same product, step by step, creating more of a flow. So we've torn out everything there last night, or Corey and Chris and Bryce tore everything out. So today, Kevin, Ryan Schrader, Tim, and I, we're going to be cleaning the mezzanine before we bolt on all of our rails, but we're going to start making hangers for our curtains and starting to divide up these spaces. Yucky. These are all the frames that we took out of those individual welding cells. And now Tim's going to work on cutting them apart and making some rails that we can slide our curtains on. Hi, morning, Tim.
Huh?
Morning. All right, it's been 4.5 hours, and I think we have it wrapped up as much as we're gonna be able to get it wrapped up with today. Let me show you what we did. Here's the start. So these are the outside curtains that we're hanging across. We put a bar in across the top to hang all of these screens like that. And what we're doing is we're essentially building a cell through the middle. So 3 cells or 4 cells can work together. So individually we have a tool rack, and we tried to make them standard between each one. So this one matches, this one matches, this one. We're gonna have to get some standardized tooling a little better than what we have, but it's a start. So basically the work comes into the cell here. This is the first cell, the first start. This person does 1/3 of the bumper. Then it goes to the next person here. They do 1/3 of the bumper. And then the last third of the bumper is completed here. And what happens is they rotate booths every day. So each day they're rotating, essentially doing a different part of the job, because the middle step is always the grinding heavy step. So if you stayed in the same rotation, the person in the middle would always be doing all the grinding. So anyways, this should get them a little further along on this process and passing product in a little more one-piece flow style. Let's see how it works on Monday.